A small Himalayan village, Hanle, has protected its dark skies to support stargazers and astronomers, utilizing the night sky as a free resource for their passion and livelihood. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the 47th ASEAN Summit, reflecting on progress in India-ASEAN Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. Miryala Lakshmi, driver of a Hyderabad-Bengaluru bus that caught fire in Andhra Pradesh, has been arrested. He claimed the accident was caused by hitting a bike with an exploding fuel tank. Russia has successfully tested its nuclear-powered Burevestnik cruise missile, having 14,000 kilometers range, 15-hour flight time. Now, the losing candidate of National Conference in Rajya Sabha polls, Imran Nabidar, on Sunday said some MLAs, who publicly promised to support the secular forces against the BJP, have backstabbed his party. The Kerala State Lottery Department has announced the results of the Samriddhi SM26 lottery draw. 1 rupee Cr first prize for MT 660,690 subject to a 30% tax. Hyderabad Police Commissioner VC Sajjanar declared drunk drivers as terrorists following a tragic bus fire that killed 20 people in Kurnool. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio stated that strengthening ties with Pakistan will not compromise the deep, historic, and important partnership with India. Synopsys Shobha Limited holds 13,000 crore rupees in unsold inventory now. The company plans to launch new properties to meet growing housing demand. Elon Musk's Starlink price and plan. Elon Musk is taking another big step in India, this time reaching for the skies. After opening Tesla showrooms earlier this year, General Motors has let go of over 200 salaried employees, mainly CAD engineers, at its Michigan Tech campus. This move is part of a restructuring to boost profits. The Kerala High Court has ruled that deposits in minor children's PPF accounts are combined with the guardian's account for annual deposit limits. Excess interest earned on these over-limit deposits made while the children were minors can be lawfully recovered by the post office. Clarifying deposit clubbing rules. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines may do more than just protect against the coronavirus. They may also help the body fight cancer. Japan's space agency successfully launched Sunday its most powerful flagship H-3 rocket, carrying a newly developed unmanned cargo spacecraft for its first mission to deliver supplies to the International Space Station. Article SpaceX breaks record with 135th orbital launch of the year by Akash Pandey. October 26, 2025, 12:17 p.m. The 4-meter Multi-Object Spectroscopic Telescope, 4MOST, has successfully captured its first light. This moment marks a major milestone in the telescope's journey. Samsung started selling its first extended reality headset, the Galaxy XR, earlier this week. Now, the device is a collaboration between Samsung, Qualcomm, and Google, with the software giant providing the Android XR platform for the device. Perplexity AI CEO Aravind Srinivas on the 25th of October reacted to an online poll saying, "Have a lot more work to do to improve it. Commit to get way further ahead of Chrome. This is a great start." Ek Deewane Ki Deewaniyat, starring Harshvardhan Rane and Sonam Bajwa in the lead roles, is turning out to be a big success story at the Indian box office. Reports claim that the Pakistani government has placed Salman under the 4th schedule of A. Anti-Terrorism Act, 1997, a list typically reserved for individuals suspected of having links to terrorism. Veteran actor Satish Shah, known for his role as Indravadhan Sarabhai, passed away at 74. His iconic show, Sarabhai vs Sarabhai, initially a flop, later gained cult status during reruns. The Hindi-dubbed version of Rishabh Shetty's Kantara Chapter 1 has emerged as a massive success at the Indian box office in a recent development. It has entered the 200 crore club and surpassed the lifetime collection of Houseful 5. Katy Perry and Justin Trudeau confirmed their relationship with a public appearance in Paris for Katy's 41st birthday. Following dating rumors, Russia has successfully tested its nuclear-powered Burevestnik cruise missile, a weapon President Putin claims is unmatched globally and can evade all defenses. 2 suspects have been arrested in the $100 million Louvre jewel theft, 1 week after what has been termed as the heist of the century. US President Donald Trump on Sunday hailed Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir as "great people," pledging to quickly resolve the Pakistan-Afghanistan conflict. Ahead of IPL 2026, SRH will look to regroup, strengthen key areas, and assemble a balanced squad capable of challenging for the title. Rohit Sharma silenced critics with an outstanding ODI series against Australia, scoring 202 runs at an average of 101 and earning Player of the Series, his childhood coach revealed. Sharma's ambition to play until the 2027 World Cup. India's young pacer Harshit Rana has been the talk of the series down under, delivering crucial breakthroughs and keeping his cool under pressure. Harry Brooks' one-man act, a superlative century, didn't translate to a favourable result as 50s from Daryl Mitchell, 78, and Michael Bracewell, 51, powered New Zealand's 1-0 lead in the ODI series.